guys. It is Wednesday, October 20th. It's about 9:30 in the morning. I just finished a Zoom call with a client who shared another really fun Disney trip report for my Patreon channel. So I'm super excited about that. What a great way to start the day. Like just having a cup of coffee, talking about Disney. It's just a lot of fun. So I got a great start to my day and I learned a lot of new things about some places in Disney where I have never had the opportunity to go, and resorts that I've never been able to stay at. This particular client stayed at Fort Wilderness and stayed in their family's camper, and I am just so intrigued by that right now. It seems like such a fun way to experience Disney, so always learning new things. Anyway, today I'm going to finally go pick up my groceries from Walmart. Hopefully I did it right this time and they're going to be ready soon. So it's going to be a grocery haul day. And what else do I have on the agenda? I really don't even know. My phone is blowing up right now too. Just work stuff and things to do around the house. Typical Wednesday morning things going on. So I am going to get my day started. It looks like Leo was playing hard this morning. He's all knocked out. I'm back from Walmart, so I thought I would share a quick grocery haul with you guys. I have green onions and celery, a couple of peaches, strawberries, lime, some grapes, and also some orange peppers. I have a family size Caesar salad mix, and then I have vegetable cream cheese for one of those recipes that I'm making that I talked about yesterday. Actually, a lot of these things are going to be for those recipes that I'm doing for our Halloween party. I have cream cheese, milk, sour cream, the Chobani Flip yogurt that we like. I have some sliced Colby Jack cheese, some guacamole, and then the single serve guacamole, cheddar cheese, shredded sharp cheddar, the buttermilk Pillsbury Grands. I have some bread, eggs, Friendly's mint chocolate chip ice cream, and some more frozen fruit for my smoothies. And then the Kodiak pancakes, or waffles I should say. We got the pancakes last time and everyone seems to really like them. So I'm gonna try those out. And then over here, I stocked up on some of my favorite coconut water. I actually thought I ordered more than this. Maybe they were out of stock. But this is the one that I like the most. It's the Vita Coco pressed coconut water. And then I was going to do brownies, but I was going to ice the top and put candy corn and these little candy pumpkins on top, but I forgot the chocolate icing. So I'm going to still need to pick that up. I have some Ritz crackers and then some various cereals that my kids like: Cinnamon Toast Crunch, Frosted Flakes, and Life. And I think that is everything. No, that is not everything. And I did get more of the coconut water, so let me unpack this and I'll show you the rest. I forgot I had these two bags over here. Okay, so here's the rest of it. More coconut water. And then I have some Tostitos, the fruit crisps that my son really likes. And then I have rice and cream of chicken soup for tonight. I'm gonna do like one of those Campbell's recipes, and it's basically white rice, mixed vegetables, cream of chicken soup, and some chicken breasts. And you just kind of put it all in a pan and put it in the oven. So that's gonna be dinner. And then I have the soup that I like, the Amy's organic chunky vegetable, and then some refried beans, again for a Halloween party recipe that I'm making. It's not even 11:30 yet, but I am starving, so I am making grilled cheese with the Colby Jack cheese that I just bought, and I'm heating up the Amy's vegetable soup to go along with it. And I am very excited for lunch because this morning for breakfast I had coffee and a piece of the cornbread that I made the other night, and that was it. So I am really hungry. This looks really good, and I think I'm going to take lunch at my desk today. While I'm just waiting for my soup to cool down before I bring it up to my office, I just wanted to chat with you guys for a minute. This morning went smooth. I picked up my Walmart order. Everything was there. So that was good. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, yesterday I placed a Walmart order and I was on my way to pick it up and realized I never actually processed the order. So here we are, and today it was ready, so that was good. And now I'm going to respond to some comments from this morning. I'm sorry if I haven't kept up with comments as well as I normally do, but when I am daily vlogging, it's hard to keep up every single day. Even though I do totally read them every single day, I can only reply to them from my laptop, so I need to be sitting down at my desk. It's been an ongoing thing. I can't reply to comments from my phone, so when I'm traveling and stuff, it becomes even more challenging. So I'm going to have my lunch and reply to some of the comments because I haven't been so great about it lately. But thank you. I always love hearing what you guys have to say, and I reply in my head even though I don't always reply physically. So I'm gonna go do that, and it's getting so nice out today. So I think after I am done with lunch, it's going to be a good day for a nice long walk. I just got back from a 20-minute Peloton power walk with the dogs. I practically had to carry poor Leo back. He was like, he was dragging, but we made it. What I did was I walked them for about 5 to 8 minutes just so that they could go to the bathroom, do their thing. And then we did the 20-minute power walk, which was 90s pop music. So there were like Mighty Mighty Boss Tones and Britney Spears and who else? Some really just great music. The Spice Girls, Shania Twain. So I was like really getting into it, and I actually started running a couple of times just because like the music was pumping me up. The dogs were having fun for a while, and it is getting hot out, so I think after a little while they got pretty knocked out. And then like the last 5 minutes, once the power walk was over, I just like let them walk at a slower pace, make sure that they didn't have to go to the bathroom, because during our power walk we didn't stop much. And it was fun. I had a good time. The dogs are gonna be well rested now. They're so tired. But anyway, now I need to go outside and water all of the mums because I've been really bad about that, and I noticed some of them are not looking too healthy. And because it's so nice out, I'm just like feeling like being outside now. So I'm gonna water the plants, and then we just got a whole bunch of stuff in the mail today. I ordered Patrick's Halloween costume from Spirit Halloween. Wait until I tell you about that. I don't know if I did already, but it's pretty funny what him and his friends are being. And I got my butcher box order, and then I ordered a whole bunch of stuff from Target that just came in the mail, and it's mostly like grocery items, but I just had it shipped here rather than picking it up. So yeah, that's it. My mind is just like going and going. So yeah, I'm gonna go outside for a little while, do some of the yard stuff, and then I will show you guys what I got in the mail today. I told you he was tired. And so is Chester. You can't even see him under there. He's like, he's under the kitchen table and he is all knocked out. So funny. So here are all of today's shipments, and I'm not going to show you my butcher box stuff because I did show that in a previous vlog, and it's all the same things. I haven't changed up what we're getting. So I'm going to bring that box into the kitchen and unpack it, and then I'll show you what I got from Target and Spirit Halloween, and I don't even know what came from Amazon. All right, I'll start off with the Spirit Halloween costume order. My son and all of his friends are wearing these identical monkey costumes, and they're going to skateboard and or bike around the town in their monkey costumes, and they are leaving bananas on people's porches, and I just think it's freaking hysterical. So that is what he got for Halloween. And then here's the stuff that was in my Target box. I have some kitchen bags, some laundry detergent, napkins, and then I got the Kleenex hand towels for a party because I just prefer to use those at the party rather than regular hand towels that people would be like reusing. I just think that's gross. And then I just picked up more Band-Aids and Neosporin, nail polish remover, red Solo cups also for the party, and I always get candy for the party because I just think it's fun. And then Tostitos, and I have some items that I needed for a couple of the recipes again. So I needed the ranch dressing seasoning packets and sliced olives. I have a big package of toilet paper, and then a friend of mine told me that she bought this from Target to keep all of her Minnie Mouse ears in. It's just the large size hat box. I think it was like 10 bucks. It has a handle, and I'm going to decorate it with stickers and keep all of my ears in here. And I just thought that was such a cute idea. I probably wouldn't travel with it because it is just made out of cardboard, but I mean, it's like a heavy duty cardboard, but I don't think it would do very well in luggage. But it's really a cute way to keep all of your ears together. So I'm gonna see if I can find some fun stickers to put on there and see how many ears I can fit in it. It's just about 4 o'clock, and all of this time I thought my son had a home soccer game at 4, but actually it's away. But anyway, I'm also going to get a COVID test today because we're having our Halloween party this weekend, and it's just a few days before the party, and I just feel like the respectful and right thing to do would be to just for safety purposes and for the well-being of everyone, get tested before I host a party. So yes, I have that to look forward to. I actually have gotten used to it and don't mind it anymore. The first time I had it done, when they stuck that thing up my nose, I was kind of totally freaked out by it. But I've gotten used to it, and it's not that big of a deal. And, you know, I always feel better when I get it done because it's just like reassurance that it's all still good. I'm still okay. Fingers crossed. I have nothing going on right now, so I don't expect to find anything out that would be negative, but I'm just taking precautions, as we all should. All right, so yeah, I am going to go do that now and just get that over with. I'm just making the Campbell soup dinner that I was talking about. So I have a can of cream of chicken soup, mixed vegetables, onion powder, rice, water, and chicken breast. And basically I'm going to mix this all up together and put the chicken on top. So it's going to be a quick and easy meal. Hey guys, it is like 7:30 at night. I just finished cleaning up the dinner mess. Remember this really cute cup that I got with a birthday gift card that I had? All of the little bubbles, see those little bubbles on top, have fallen off. There's only 2 left. Isn't that sad? I don't know. I just thought I'd let you guys know about that in case you were ordering from this company, which I honestly can't even remember what the name of it was. But anyway, I'm disappointed about that. And that's going to be it for today. Hope that you had fun coming along. I'm going to get ready for bed, and I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Good night.